Good morning, dear kids. I'm continuing with your same topic, that is chapter number 7, percentages. And in that, we are taking exercise 7.1, problem number 6. Okay, problem number 5. Problem number 5 says, in a class of 60 children, 30% are girls, how many are boys? My dear kids, total number of students are 60. So I will write total children is equal to 60 and girls are given as 30%. Okay, so what will be total number of girls? Girls will be, we'll find number of girls. How we will find it? We will find 30% of 60, correct? Yes, so 30% means 30 upon 100. Of का मतलब होता है multiplication and 60. When you solve this, you will get 18 as the number of girls. Got my point? How you will find the number of boys? You will subtract number of girls from total children. So you will get number of boys. Am I correct? So you have to subtract 18 from 60 and you will get 42 as the number of boys. Next is, in an election, two candidates A and B contested. A got 60% of votes. The total votes were 8,000. You have to find how many votes did each get. So my dear kids, total votes are given as 8,000. Am I correct? You have to find 60% of these votes, which are A's vote. So 60% किसका है? A का है. Let's find it. 60% of means multiplication 8,000. So that will be 4,800. So A has got 4,800 votes. How much B will get? So for B, you have to subtract 4,800 from total. That means total minus A का करेंगे तो you will get B के votes, correct? So total is 8,000. A के vote है 4,800. So when you subtract, you will get it 3,200. That will be B's votes. Next, problem number 7 says, a person saves 12% of his monthly salary. If his salary is 2,500, find his expenditure. Now, my dear kids, the total salary is given as 2,500. Correct? Yes. So now next is 12% is saving. So I will take 12% of 2,500 to get with the saving. Yes, my dear kids, and I got savings as 300. Correct? So once I got the saving, I have the total salary. Now to find the expenditure, my dear kids, the formula will be, expenditure will be what? It will be total salary माइनस सेविंग्स. आप सेविंग्स हटा दोगे सैलरी में से तो व्हाट विल बी रिमेनिंग? विल बी योर एक्सपेंडिचर. करेक्ट? सो 2,500 minus 300, that will be 2,200 as your expenditure. Problem number 8 says, Sita got 75% marks out of total 800. How many marks did she lose? So जितना मिला है, let's see, 75% मिला है. So how we will find total marks which she got? So we will write marks got is equal to 75% of 800. Correct? So that will be 75 upon 100 of 800. That will be 600. So she got 600 marks. How many marks did she lose? So out of 800 was the total, 600 she got. So marks lost is equal to total marks minus marks secured. That will be 200. So 200 marks is lost by Sita. Let's see question number 9, which says a shop worth rupees 25,000 was insured for 95% of its value. How much would the owner get in case of any mishappening? So insurance, you will get it 95% of the value. Correct? So you have to find, first you have to write what is the value of shop. It is given as 25,000. And then you have to write insured amount. Insured amount will be 95% of value of shop, that is 25,000. Correct? So you have to find 95 upon 100 into 25,000. Once you do this, you will get 23,750. So in case of any mishappening, the shop owner will receive 23,750 from an insurance company. Question number 10 says a class has 30 boys. So let the number of boys is given as 30. The number of girls is given as 25. What is the percentage of boys? So my dear kids, first you have to find the total, and the total is 55. Now always remember, whenever you want to get the percentage, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगर boys का percent करना है तो boys, number of boys upon total into 100. How many number of boys are there? 30. Total is 55 into 100. Whenever you are finding the percentage, converting into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Clear? So that will be 300 upon 3000 upon 55. Yes, you can reduce it. You will get the answer in decimal. Got my point clear? Your next is problem number 11, which says you have to express, first I am doing, you have to express 3 2 by 5 as a percentage. What you will do? First, this is a mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper fraction. How you will do it? 5 into 3 plus 2 upon 5. Am I correct? That will be 17 upon 5. And as I said, whenever you want to convert any fraction into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. Now you will go for 5 ones are, 5 20s are, and 17 into 20, that will be 340%. Correct? Next, I'll be doing it for you 0.0075. You want to convert into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. And whenever you multiply with 100 or 1000, your decimal moves towards right. Okay? So your answer will be 0.7%. Next, I'll be doing, you have to convert 3 is to 20 as a percentage. What is 3 is to 20? It is nothing but it is 3 upon 20. And when you want to convert into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. So when you multiply with 100, you will get the answer as 15%. Perfect. Next we have 16 centimeter as a percentage of, so you want 60 centimeter as a percentage of 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, but as I said you, whenever you want to find percentage, make sure that you convert both your units should be same. So if something is given in meters, you have to convert into centimeters. Now 60 centimeter is fine, but when I convert this 1 meter, it will be 100 centimeter plus this 25 centimeter. Perfect. So it will be 60 centimeter upon 125 centimeter. And now when you want percentage, you will multiply with 100. You can go for 25 fours are, 25 fives are, 5 ones are, and you have 12s are, and 12 into 4 will be 48%. Clear? Your next is 9 hours as a percentage of 4 days. So 9 hours is okay, but for 4 days you have to convert 4 into 24. So that will be converted into hours. Correct? So 9 hours upon 4 into 24, that will be 96. And you want to convert into percentage, so I'll multiply with 100. That will be 900 upon 96. Yes, my dear kids, divide and see. You can also keep it into mixed fraction, or you can give me the answer in decimal. Is that clear? Okay, God bless.